So hello. So one thing that happened is the recording morning did not get processed. So I'm recording this for you again. So, but I don't want you to miss even one day of it. So let me record this again for you and tell you what has happened in the morning session. We of course miss you in the morning session, but it's okay that you do the evening sessions. Any session is fine. So first thing is I have planned this amazing planner for you, which once you do it will become your life book, will become your soul book, will become your manual. In order to win this, you have to make sure you do the tasks every day. So your task of the day for yesterday was to do those three tests. Remember, we did those three tests. Now, once you have done through those three tests, there are other things that are going to be done today. So let's welcome to day two of the diagnosis. Who am I? So first thing is this inside out document that you need to do in. All you need to do is double click this document and you will be reaching to this link. I have also put a copy of this in the group. So this is the document where it will, it's a 45 minutes exercise. This 45 minutes exercise, if you do, you're going to not recognize who are you. So it will just take you 45 minutes to do this audit. It's called the inner audit. It's called the inside out. So first start with this, take some time off and do this. No matter you do it today, no matter you do it tomorrow, it's going to really help you do this. Post that, we learned about something called the Johari window. The Johari window has four aspects to it. The first is what you know, what others know about you. The second is what others don't know about you, only you know about yourself, your facade. And the third part is which others know, but you don't know. So the second task for you today is go and take objective feedback from the people who you love, the people who you are connected with, your friends, your children, your cousins, your parents. Go up to them and ask them what are different habits that what are different habits that disturb them. Could you do something better about it? What are some quirks you could change? What do they think your strengths are? What do they think your ideal career are? So go out and talk to them and figure out what are those things with them. And this one is something you are now getting to know every day when we are doing these studies. You're finding out things about yourself, quirky things, amazing things about yourself. I love it when you guys send your messages, homework in the group and tell me, Sanchari, today I learned this about myself. Sanchari, today I did this about myself. I love it. And then comes the SWOT analysis, which is your strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Strength is what are those things that you're inherently good at, that you're great doing it and you would love doing it. Weaknesses are those things that you're not that good at and you need to work on. Opportunities are based on your strengths. What are the different fields in which you can truly grow to a whole new level? And threats are what is scary for you, what can be a danger for you in the upcoming one. So to do this, I have also shared some ChatGPT prompts for you. The prompts are very simple. The prompts are very easy to do. Let me show you how you can do it. Okay. So I will copy this from here. I will go to my favorite friend ChatGPT. So my MBTI is say INFJ. My five values are those values that you took out from that value test. Remember, we did the BA5 test, the skill assessment. So growth, love of learning, creativity. And the five personality traits which you might have written from the other test, which is coach, learning, whatever came for you all, you can write that discipline, thought, and then simply put enter. Okay, so here comes your SWOT, here comes your business. All of this comes in. Now, what you do is copy this. Remember, I told you about that master document that you are making for yourself. This work in progress master document. So you will copy, paste, and put all of this there. See, I've already written strength, weakness. Opportunity and threats. Copy, paste it, and keep. Now, later you have to read them and doing it. Okay, it's not like I've just copy pasted and it's done. You have to edit this as well. Okay, so that is the first step. The second step would be same ones you can pick out. If you are not understanding this is a magic prompt that I always use. Maybe it's given too much and you don't like this. So you can say, explain to me the concept that you would do to explain a 15-year-old. Isn't this magic? And you can also do this in different things. For example, give me in terms of Harry Potter. Crazy. Anything you want. Tell me how Sadhguru would say that. So any topic that you don't understand, any topic that you are not able to do, you can use ChatGPT to understand. Isn't this crazy? So yes, that's the second prompt. Now you can also use the third prompt. And at this point of level, you can start asking it any question you want. You can start doing anything you want. This will work with it. Your ideal career, all of these you can figure out with this. And then comes the last prompt of this, which is in a table form. That's it. So this is what you have to follow. This is what you have to do. And after you are done it, everything that you have written, everything you have put it out there, just copy paste. For example, I learned about my 5 values, my strengths, which are there, love, humanity, and doing it. So I can ask it on the basis of this. Generate the table. There you go. So this is as simple as it goes, as simple as it does. You can use this to understand you. You can have a full chat with ChatGPT on how, what is, for example, my personality is, and you have all of this copy pasted from here, EMPJ, strategy, love, caring, all of this. What do you think are some areas of improvement for me? So this becomes your master document. This becomes like your master this of it. You can keep talking, you can keep building, you can understand, you can communicate with it, and there is no area where you can grow with it. Also, ChatGPT is your best friend in explaining you things. For example, today I showed you the Johari window. So you can ask it, explain to me Johari window, like you would explain to a 5-year, to a 15-year-old. Okay. Now you no longer even need me because you have all these prompts, all these things, you do it. So go figure out. This is already uploaded. The first part of it, I'm repeating again, is to do this test. Do this 45-minute exercise because it's going to help you understand who you are. Once you click on this, you'll understand that it's a whole document for you to figure out. I'll just show you. So it will start with an audit journey of how to get comfortable. Do it in front of a mirror. The best way to do it is in front of a mirror where you can see yourself, where you can do this. It's called the mirror exercise. Wear something you feel fabulous in. Why am I wearing glasses? It's actually dark, but it's because I feel fabulous in it. So feel fabulous and do this. Then do the self audit. Get your heart to heart in the monitor. Then you do your pep talk. Read these instructions. Just go through it, your achievements, figure out your emotional dive, wrap up, and finally, you will be able to do your values. So all the values that we learned, the 5 values tomorrow, make an update on it. And do your aspirations, gratitude. This test is going to amazingly change you. So I'm looking forward to hearing your answers, and those who make this document, the document that I showed you on my growth, my work in progress document, will also get this book that I'm making for you. I'm actually sitting at a cafe designing this book itself for you. You can do this and make it up yourself. Okay. So if you want this book, you have to do this task and you have to finish it. Okay. Have a great day. I will see you on day 3 tomorrow. Love you. Thank you so much.